Okay, so here it goes, and I think this is actually really, really good stuff. So here it goes. Here I am, living in a nice house, and a few years go by, which means it's like it's like it seems like it's you see, I think I am getting sick again, um, because 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 this person lived here and they didn't help me. This person in particular, um, like um, since they didn't help. So years go by, and and um, and then you you're on. Oh, it's getting dark. Anyways,